Thanks, Shaker. As mentioned, I'm Gary Cobb, a solutions engineer here at Jitterbit, and today I'll be showing a brief demo that ties a PLM, in this case Autodesk, with Epicor. Because we're playing the role of two different users within these two systems, we'll use a messaging system, Slack, to allow for approvals between these systems. First, we'll see a production-ready product replicated from Autodesk into Epicor. Then, as an Epicor user, we'll want to make a change to that product. And finally, upon approval from our product manager via Slack, we'll see that change replicated within Autodesk. Here you can see that I'm starting out in Autodesk. I have a product that's moved through the approval workflow. And before we put it into production, let's verify that this product does not currently exist in Epicor. So we see that the record is not found. And so what we'll do is we'll move this into production. And now Jitterbit will find this new product in production and then replicate it into Epicor. So when we go searching for this product in Epicor now, we should see that Jitterbit has replicated it in Epicor along with all of its associated data. And so here the product is living now in Epicor. And as an Epicor user, we'll imagine that we want to change this price from $0 to $62, let's say. And we'll go ahead and save this in Epicor. And now we'll notice that we're actually going to get a message through Slack asking for approval. That is, this message is coming to our product manager, asking for approval to initiate that change or replicate that change back into Autodesk. So as soon as Jitterbit picks up that change from Epicor, we'll see the Slack message come through, and we'll be able to approve this change back into Autodesk with Slack buttons. Now I'm using Slack in today's example. However, this communication system can be any communication system you're currently using, or it could even be done by email. And so here's our message in Slack asking us if we'd like to submit the change around the price of $62 on our part number 56. Now, before I submit this change through Slack, let's verify that part 56 is still currently at $0 as when we initiated the product. Now I'll go ahead and make that change. I'll get a confirmation back here in Slack, allowing me to know that $62 is the new price. And if I refresh this page again, we'll see that $62 is reflected in the price. And so all of the back-end data movement is being handled by Jitterbit. And here I'm showing the operation that's tying three systems together with bi-directional data flows. So while it may seem a bit complex, remember this is three different systems being tied together. The first operation is finding the new product that's been moved into production within Autodesk. We're then inserting that product into Epicor. We then search Epicor for any changes to any product, and then we finally notify of a change back in Slack. Once that change is approved, we kick off another process, one last operation here, which updates Autodesk with the new price and then confirms back in Slack the new price that's been updated. So this has been a very brief demo showing how Jitterbit can smooth your manufacturing processes and keep any changes to a minimal delay. At this point, I'm going to hand control back to Carrie, and she'll lead us out for the remainder of this webinar.